Hey guys, welcome back to my brand new video. Today we're checking out a super useful and compact gadget that can seriously upgrade your organization game, the Nelko P21 label maker. Whether you're a student, office worker, or just someone who loves staying organized, this device might be exactly what you need. So let's get started. First, let's talk about design and portability. The Nelko P21 is part of the 2026 upgraded version, and it's designed to be smaller, lighter, and smarter than traditional label makers. It's so compact that it can easily fit right into your pocket, perfect for printing labels anytime, anywhere. Now moving on to connectivity. This label maker works via Bluetooth and connects directly to your iOS or Android phone using the Nelko app. Just install the app, load the paper, connect. Next, let's talk about printing quality. It uses BPA-Free direct thermal technology, which means no ink or toner is required. With 203 dpi resolution, you get clean, sharp, high-quality monochrome prints every time. And the speed? Pretty impressive. You can print up to 30 labels per minute, making it fast enough for both personal and professional use. Now here's where things get fun. Creative features. The app includes 3,600 plus icons, 700 plus borders, 5,500 plus design materials, 750 plus templates, and support for 29 languages. You can create labels with text, QR codes, barcodes, images, timestamps, and more, all customized directly from your phone. Let's talk about battery and power. It comes with a built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery and uses a modern USB-C. In terms of usage, this label maker is incredibly versatile. At home, you can organize food, clothes, and storage. In the office, it's perfect for tags, reminders, and labeling supplies. And for school, it's great for name tags, books, and classroom organization. The Nelko P21 label maker is a compact, smart, and highly practical tool for everyday organization. With powerful features, easy connectivity, and creative customization, it's definitely a must-have gadget in 2026. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next one. Peace out.